Hey everyone, this is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV giving you a closer look at the carburetor rebuild kit from Tusk. Alright, so if you are looking for a quick, cost-effective way to completely rebuild your carburetor, well, look no further than this rebuild kit coming from Tusk. So maybe your machine's been sitting for a long time, maybe you've got some bad gas in there, or maybe it's just not running the way you want it to, and that's after you've already gone through and cleaned out your carburetor and all the components. Well, chances are at that point, it's probably best to get a rebuild kit and just freshen everything up. A great example of this, we've got a carburetor on the table right here from a 2005 CRF 450R. This bike has not been ran in quite some time. So at this point, you got a couple options. You could pull it apart, try and clean out all the components, or if you want to save some time, you can just get the rebuild kit, which we have on the table, which, like I said, will come with all the components that you are going to need to completely rebuild this carburetor. And what's nice about these is that they're all built to OEM specifications, and also just remember that all the components that come inside, so all your jets, everything you need, will be the stock sizes that came in your carburetor, so just remember that. But also, when you're doing this, you're installing the kit, it's very important to clean out your carburetor, or the carb body that is, so make sure to clean out the float bowl, your slide, any passageways. You want to make sure those are clean and clear. So it's not a bad idea when you're picking up the kit, if you don't have some already, pick up some carburetor cleaner. Definitely want to be wearing some gloves if you're handling any chemicals like the carb cleaner. Also, we always recommend wearing safety glasses as well. Now, one last thing I do want to point out before we let you go is that with the kits, okay, it's very important, you're going to have rubber components inside. You don't want to get those in contact with any carb or maybe contact cleaner because that can damage them. So make sure to just steer clear of that when you're installing this kit. But other than that, if you're looking for a great way to rebuild your carburetor, again, quickly, cost effective, well, this rebuild kit from Tusk is your solution. If you guys do have any other questions, you can leave your comments below. Give us a call or chat live online. We will get those answered for you. Remember, guys, if you like this product spotlight, well, do not miss out. Get subscribed to our YouTube channel. That's going to keep you up to date and in the loop in the latest gear guides, product reviews, and how-to videos that we're constantly rolling out. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.